Are you having problems with GNU Project not locating the libiconv-2 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. I recommend the automated system scan for libiconv-2 library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the libiconv-2 library, the core library for character set conversion, UTF-8 to localized. Mandatory requirement for thousands of open source ports and web scrapers on Windows. If missing, the app will fail to parse localized text files, leading to a startup crash. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like twin API DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including libiconv-2 library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Replacing twin API without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping libiconv-2 library synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing libiconv-2 library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.